showed up on the one of my favorite channels, Captain Drone channel, right? They made this drift truck that doesn't drift, but it's very cool, and it comes with a remote that all the cars should come with. And so I had no idea that the same company would make cars that are... Oh, what the... I thought I was getting another small one. It turns out it's way bigger. Okay. And it turns out the remote is slightly different too. Because these remotes... Look at this. These remotes are one piece. One piece like the anime. And the other ones were not one piece. They separated into multiple pieces, and this one comes with cones, which the other ones did not have cones. What is going on? I was not in the know. They had made all these new modifications to these things. So what is going on? What is going on? Let me check to see that both of the packages have the same. Yeah, they both have. What the heck? So that's very interesting. In the previous ones that I bought, it came with a different remote altogether, which I will show you guys if I can find it after I finish making a mess of the car here. What did I even do to it? Oh boy. Oh brother. Now I lost all the pieces. That's why people don't do like live performances and stuff. They always want to do things in the down low. All right. Anyway, so how cool is that? Anyway, so this was the remote that originally came with it, and you can take it apart into different pieces. But this one does its thing on its own. Let's see if I can even drift in the car here. But yeah, that's very interesting how they've made different sizes. I thought I was getting more of this size kind of thing, but apparently not. So anyway, let's turn this little machine on, and I can't drift the other ones because I'd have to charge the batteries for the other ones. So the best I can do is just move this in here, and it kind of drifts. But it probably is going to get knocked off. Oh, the battery. Did the battery just die too? Come on. You can do it, little one. Oh, no. And it doesn't have enough power, I don't think, to get back up. Oh. Hand of God, as they say, right? Big shout out to Maradona. So you can kind of drift in the car, but it doesn't have enough power, or it kind of does. It's just not enough. It's not fully charged, I don't think. And the crowd goes wild. Oh. You might